Restaurants and stores are the lifeblood of our neighborhoods. But as consumer behavior changes, customers are now just as likely to scroll by your store on their phones and computers as they are to stroll by it. While reaching them anywhere they are has never been more important, it's also never been simpler. Hi, I'm Yadovan, and I'm the head of merchant operations for Uber Eats in the United States and Canada. We're passionate about helping merchants grow their businesses by meeting customers when and where they want to be met. Over the years, we've helped businesses big and small connect with more customers and find success on their terms. It's why we do what we do. Our goal is to make learning how to grow your business as easy as possible. That's why I'm excited to welcome you to Merchant Academy, your one-stop shop for learning the ins, outs, and best practices for making Uber Eats work for you. In each lesson, we'll break down the important topics and demystify tools that can help streamline operations and boost sales. Plus, we'll show you step by step how to manage orders, set up your storefront, and put your insights to work. And that's only the beginning. In this first lesson, you'll learn about the many different ways to work with Uber Eats, including delivery and pickup options on the app, using our services to power your website, and innovative options to expand business like virtual restaurants. With this information, you'll be able to choose the partnership options that are right for you and your staff. There's no right or wrong answer here. Test things out and then keep doing what works. Scroll through this entire lesson, paying attention to the parts that are most relevant for you and your team. Want to share with your staff? Send them the link or click on the takeaway to print it out. Then check out our other lessons, keeping out an eye for new releases. And as always, our support team is available 24/7 to help answer any questions you may have. Our mission at Uber Eats is to help you reach your goals. So, let's get started.